Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also something to do. I have a lot to cover and I'm going to do it in a small amount of time, but as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, as always, I want to show you some of the features that I'm using on my Note 10 Plus. Now there's a ton of videos on Note 10, but I just want to show you how practical it is for me. So let's jump right into it, and I'm going to show you some of the features that I'm using and how I put everything together. Ain't nobody doing it like tech, guys. Let's do it. Right, so here I am in the phone. Now this is a beautiful phone, and if you want, I could include an unboxing video, but there's tons of unboxing videos. Main thing that I love right here is this feature. If you stroll right here, you see the screen recording feature. Man, I absolutely love that feature. Now look, it start recording, and then you also have the option, guys, to go ahead and I can just add my picture in there. You see me right here? So when I'm recording something, I can just add it. The great thing about that, let's say like I'm doing a review on an IPTV service. Click on this right here. Now look, I literally don't need a capture card. I can just film the review on this service right here, and you can see me and you can hear me talking or whatever. You see right there. So this is a great thing. So the screen recording with the picture in picture is definitely a plus. Back out of here. Now the thing with the screen recording also is that there's some things that you have to do. Before I get into that, another feature you can do, you can write on the screen as you screen recording. So if you're teaching somebody something, then you could erase it live. Go ahead and back out of there. Now you can go to your screen recording features, and you want to make sure that you have it set up correctly. So you long press on it, and you see I had no sound, but you can change your quality. I have it set to 1080p, and you can go and you can collect the sound from the media only or the media and the mic. So again, if I'm doing a review and I don't want, when I click on the channel, I don't want the shows to be playing, I can choose no media, so you're not hearing the show. But if I want the media and the mic, so when I'm doing a review, you can go right there and picks up the mic and stuff like that. That's a good feature. I can just go to no sound, so that is a very good feature right there, Pete. The other thing that I want to bring your attention to is something that it wasn't ready for release, but it's ready now, and it is called the 3D scanner. I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Now you can get to it two ways. You can go into your camera and get to it, or once you download the 3D scanner, it pops up right here. You can see right there, guys, it's ready to scan, and you start the scanning process. Now I'm not going to be able to do it now because I have these wires running to my capture card with my phone, so I'm not going to be able to get around this. See, so I can't get quite around it. What I do, I pause the video, I'm gonna do a 3D scan of this on fast charge, and I'm gonna throw it in the video. That's one of the things you want to make sure that you have it at the right length, and then you want to make sure that you kind of keep it within the arrows, keep it within the green, trying to get all of the blues out there, go slow enough where you can get around. I have a case on here. I recommend that you take the case off of your phone, guys, because that depth sensor really gonna have to read it. So take the case off of your phone, you get better results. I kept getting try again, and I took the case off and I got better results. Let me go ahead and get that 3D image, and I'm gonna jump back in and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put everything together. So I'm back. I want to show you some of the results that I had with 3D scanner. I want to show you how to get it if you don't have it. Main thing you want to do, you want to go to the Galaxy store, and you just want to search for 3D scanner, so you can find it up in there. Now after you get it, you can go right directly to the app after you download it, like I did right here. I showed you the first time. Or you can go into your camera mode, and at the top you can click Bixby Vision. Let me bring it down right here. So at the top right there, you see Bixby Vision is going to give you a choice at the bottom between apps or lens. You go to lens or apps, and you just click on the 3D scanner after you got it. So those are a couple of ways you can get to it. Let's go ahead and show you the results. Go to 3D scanners, right down to the bottom. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial, show you how far you should be away from a device, and to tell you not to scan reflected devices. As you can see, this 3D scan of this charger didn't come out, but look, it's reflective. You can even see the light up in here. So what happened is the light bounced off of it. You can't get a complete 3D scan. Also, you can choose between a person or object. Back out of here, and I was able to do a scan of my son, and it came out okay. But if you look at the top of his head, you can see it didn't scan it because I was trying to get at an angle. I didn't have his whole head into the frame, so you know, I bent down to get the front, and look, I neglected to get the top. So it's definitely a skill. You want to make sure that you had it at a 90-degree angle, and you definitely circle around them. Fire stick, scan the fire stick. And again, the box is oddly shaped. It's a skill, but you know, it's not bad. This technology is improving. And one of the best ones I've done is this right here, Tawny season thing right here. Now it's not perfect, but you can see my skills have improved. At the top again, I got to get to that 90 degrees. So the hardest thing is to put the object somewhere where you can walk completely around it without bumping into stuff like I was doing. But look, that's absolutely amazing. Guys, the next thing that I want to show you about this phone is absolutely for content creators. It is definitely a work beast. It's the S Pen. Now, me, when I'm in the gym and I'm trying to film things, man, one of the main problems that I have in the gym is getting someone to film for me. So a lot of times I'm about to do a lift or something, I got to get somebody to come and film, you know, press record and stop it. The S Pen give me a lot of control. You can see, of course, you've seen all of the gestures. You can change it or whatever. You can flip to the front, you can flip to the back. So yes, it gives you a lot of gestures. But look, like I was saying, the most important part for me when I'm in the gym, I can do this number right here, press record, and then start recording, and I can get my lift or whatever exercise that I am doing in the gym, and I can just stop it whenever I'm ready to do it. Definitely a workhorse. Now, I quickly showed you some of the things that you can use to get media and everything. I'm going to show you something else, how you can bring everything together. Like I was saying, I have Adobe. I'm subscribed to the Adobe suites in the cloud. But one of the things I get to do is I get to sign in anywhere, and I download the Rush for Samsung. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. This is the Rush, Adobe Rush Premiere Rush from Samsung. This is one of the projects that I did earlier. I want to go ahead and I want to add a project. Go ahead and press that, and you know, just add media, right? Let's go to photos. I can come up in here and I can add. Let me add that right there. Let me add some of these videos right here that I did. All right, I can title it. Okay, I can go ahead and I can press create. I'm going to import those things. And another thing is that if I want more things, I can just go ahead and hit that little plus button right there, and I can capture more media and stuff like that. So let's go to that screen recording that I had earlier. Right, boom. Should be right here. Bring that in there, and let's see if we can do something with it. Now, this is no special thing right here, just regular editing, but these are some of the things that you have control over when you're editing this. I literally can make this look like one of my videos that I do on my computer using this S Pen. If I want to come, I can add a title right here, right? Boom, come right there, click on the title. I can make adjustments to that title. I literally have full control. Boom. If I wanted to, I can change the fonts, the color, and everything of it. Look at different style. If you're having trouble with it, you can make it bigger. You can move it. Definitely have the flexibility. Come and highlight everything. Come down here. Whatever I want to do, change my fill color. Let's make that red, black, whatever. I'm definitely controlling the fonts, the color, the spacing, size, style. Look at that. Just dropping whatever I want onto here. Now, of course, you can go ahead and you can do like your regular cuts and stuff. You can do transition, your speeds. That I wanted to cut, boom, just made that cut right there. I want to speed something up. See, boom, speed this video up. Boom, I can go right here. I can add whatever. Speed up, slow down, good to go. Definitely have those options. So guys, these are some of the features that I use. I can even do transitions. I can stay right here editing all day. You can move the clips around. You can delete the clips. I want this clip to go behind that clip. I use my Note 10 just to gather content, edit content, many things you can do with it. If you don't have it and you could afford it, guys, look, Best Buy is giving a tremendous offer. I had a horror story at Best Buy, but Samsung, I believe, had the same offer that you can turn in an old phone. You get like up to $600 off. So that brings that $1,200 phone down significantly. So it makes it very affordable, about $700. And then if you go with your carrier, you can like the installment payments a great phone. I'm loving it so far. I want to get down into it and do some streaming with it, so they're gonna be my next videos on it. I just wanted to show you some of the things that I've been using it for to gather that content. Boy, taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Tired of paying higher internet bills? Can't get internet in your area? An IPTV reseller want to offer your clients something different. Guys, I can show you how you can get unlimited internet. That's right, unlimited data. I have a 20-minute long video that walks you step to step how you can go to the magical website and all of the tools you need and the equipment you need, where you can cut your internet bill down to $35, or you can resell internet to your family, friends, and neighbors. Go ahead and send me a Cash App at dbogan78, or PayPal me at Taking the Bathroom, or my PayPal email address, bathroomminister@gmail.com. Unlimited internet. If you want to know more, I see you in the comment section, or send me an email at takingthebathroom@gmail.com.